Okay, I found a new tool to create screencasts, and I actually like this one better than QuickTime Player because it has a few more options. So all I did to get started is I just typed in Screencast-O-Matic, and I went to their website. And once I'm on the website, I just clicked on Start Recording for Free, which is right here. And then it took me to this screen where I just clicked on launch free recorder, and then it requires you to download some software. So once you click on that, just follow the prompts and install it on your computer. I've already have mine installed. So um, this is the page you'll launch each time you want to create a screencast, and I just put it on my bookmarks bar up here so that I can click on this each time I want to get started. So to start a screencast, all I do is click right here, launch recorder. So I launch that, and come on, don't be stubborn on me. Here we go. Now, as soon as this starts up, it's going to appear right here at the bottom, and you'll see um, it gives us some options here. You can do your screen, so it's going to screencast what is on your computer screen, and you can change the size of that. I always have mine on full screen, but you can change it to different sizes. You can do a web, which is your face, and nobody really wants to look at my face, so I'm going to do both. So then you can see not only your screen, but also your face appears down here in the corner. So let's just do, I'll do both, and then I start by hitting record. So it'll give me a nifty little 3, 2, 1 and go. Now we're live. So as I'm taking a screencast, this is where you can either, go through your Google slide presentation and teach and instruct. You can even move this to different spots in the screen as you're talking, and you can teach your lesson and walk through different things, and start timers, and do whatever you want to do for that day for the lesson. And then you also have the ability to flip around a little bit. So down here at the bottom, you could go to your full face. You could go to back to the corner screen, or you can do your full computer screen. Now, even though you still see me down here, when I create the video, my face actually won't be there. So it's you have different options as you go through this. This is what I like about it. You can also pause this. You can pause and then restart it again, or just be done. So you can just hit record again. It'll pick up where you left off. So if you had to take a break or walk away for some reason, you could. So I really like this one. The other thing I like about this is when the video's done, it compresses the video. It's not as big. It's not as large a file as in QuickTime. So when it uploads to either your drive or the platform you're going to use, or like I always upload mine to YouTube, um, it goes much faster. I mean, you're talking about yesterday I uploaded 3 videos in minutes, and some of my QuickTime players or my iMovie videos I make will take 40 minutes to upload. So when you're done, you click here, save. You can actually listen to your video and edit here if you want to trim off the ends. you can, so you can let your video pause a little bit before you reach to pause it or stop it, and you can do different things to edit that. So, but when you're ready to save it, you just click save. You can change the file name. I'll do test 3. You can choose which folder you want to do. You can browse your folders, and I think I've shown you before. I have a video folder on my desktop. I just save it in there, and then I hit publish, and it'll work to process that, and then it'll save it right to my video folders on my desktop. So once it's done, it'll let you know, and we should be able to see it pop up in my videos folder here. I'm just going to let this play out. It's almost done. So and done. Perfect. I'll go to my video folder, and there it is. If I open it up, that's me talking to you. So hopefully this is useful for you. If not, don't worry about it.